Greetings, friends of the law offices of Brent Williams-Ruth. I am Brent Williams-Ruth, and today, along with a selection of my amazing clothing, I'm going to talk with you about capacity, specifically testamentary capacity, meaning the minimum level of competence that you must have to qualify as sound mind and body to execute estate planning documents in Washington. The bottom line is that in order to create estate planning documents, you must know who you are. You must know your family, what's officially called the issue of your bounty. You must know what your estate is comprised of. Do you have $100,000, $1 million, $100 million? Do you have the ability to say to me, Brent, I want to give my favorite set of whatever to this person? And then finally, can you remember after a passage of time that you told me to write this down? Now, this is where I'm going to be focusing the conversation of this video, which is why, again, I have one of my favorite shirts on. I got a selection hanging up on my art in the back, and also just one right here to show you the loud pineapple print that I got on my last trip to Hawaii. In my own lived experience, I got to work closely with medical professionals dealing with dementia and memory loss. And it's not exactly sure what it takes to create a core memory, but time of day, generally earlier in the morning, leads to when people are able to have a better recall. Now, if I come and show up and talk with a client wearing a traditional white shirt, blazer, and tie, I may not really stick out in their memory. But come to a client wearing a loud Hawaiian print or a silk shirt made from a quick service place in Thailand, it's going to be a topic of conversation, which may help when I come back to recall. Just this past weekend, I had a client that has been with me for 10 years, and we've made multiple revisions to their estate planning documents over the years. However, they're starting to have some memory issues. And so I told the family when I would go visit them, I would do everything in my power to be as memorable as possible, whether that's cracking jokes about the food or the accommodations, or simply wearing a loud print. You know, it works. Sometimes it doesn't. But there's nothing worse than reaching that point in aging where I have to say, I'm sorry, they no longer have testamentary capacity. So if you were watching my videos and you're seeing me in a loud print, even in the depths of winter where it's 24 degrees outside, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be memorable and connect with my clients so that way we can have a long and fruitful attorney-client relationship right up until the end, where they either pass away or reach a mental state where they just can't pass the capacity test. So if you or anyone you know has capacity and would like to talk to my office about either estate planning or estate administration, feel free to call my office. The telephone number is 253-285-7751. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.